different.
Libby, time to open that one. Open the big one.
What's in there?
Libby.
Can you
Libby,
get
put that
it?
down. Here.
What's in there, Libs?
It's for you.
Open it up. Can you rip it? Oh boy. Can you grab the flashlight? What's in there, Libby Joe? Keep going.
Joey, totally. Seriously, that's not his.
Shh, Sally. Let her figure it out, okay?
Libby, what is it?
Can she see it on that side? What is it, Libby?
Circle.
A circle. Come here, buddy. She's looking for a flashlight.
She lost the flash.
You know. Come here.
Libby, look what it is.
Come on this side. Step up here. What is this, Libby? What is this person? What is this little girl playing on?
Down the side.
Is she going down the slide? Do you want that slide?
Do you want to play that?
That's what Uncle Joey got for you.
Wow, cool.
What do you say?
Two.
Should we set it up and go sliding?
Should we go do it?
And look what else.
Nobody.